all you high-flying dronies out there, and of course by that I mean, with all due respect, all of you drone pilots, just got an email from the FAA I want to share with everybody. If you haven't got your email yet, if you are thinking about becoming a drone pilot, the FAA is proposing a new remote ID proposal. They've been talking about this for several months now, but they just sent confirmation that they have now partnered with the FAA, selected the following companies to develop technology requirements for the future of remote ID UAS service suppliers. These are Airbus, AirMap, Amazon, Intel, OneSky, Skyward, T-Mobile, and Wing. These companies were selected through a request for information process in December 2018. So basically, this letter goes on to say that this is just the beginning and that they're going to keep us posted. But it is about this this federal remote ID, which is going to basically a system that's going to know the location of every drone in space, in the FAA airspace. So it's something we should all talk about, and I'm sure many of you are planning on videos on the same subject. So if you have any comments or anything to enlighten me with, be sure and like and subscribe and mention it down in the comments. We'll see you next time. Thanks a lot.